If your outdoor faucet turns on but no water comes out, you're definitely not alone. This problem is super common and totally fixable with a bit of know-how. So, first up, check if the main water supply to the outdoor faucet is actually turned on. Sometimes, the shutoff valve inside your house might be closed, so make sure it's all the way open. If water still isn't flowing, try inspecting the backflow preventer. Since you already had to cut it because the screw was stuck, you'll want to replace it as soon as possible, because that part keeps your water safe from contamination. Next, the faucet stem might be broken or seized up, especially if the faucet is old like yours. Using pliers sometimes won't work if it's rusted or stuck tight. Instead, try spraying some penetrating oil and let it sit for a while before trying again. Also, avoid using motor oil like 10W40 because it's not designed for plumbing and can cause more problems. Grab a proper lubricant meant for faucets. If the stem is busted, those parts are usually cheap and easy to find at hardware stores or online. Finally, once you've replaced the stem and backflow preventer, turn the water on slowly and check for leaks or drips to make sure everything's sealed properly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outdoor faucets is ignoring the shutoff valve inside the house. If that valve is closed or partially closed, your faucet won't get any water. Fix it by locating and fully opening that valve. Another common issue is trying to force the faucet open with pliers without lubricating it first, which can break the stem or damage threads. Use penetrating oil and patience instead. Lastly, cutting or damaging the backflow preventer without replacing it can lead to unsafe water contamination issues. Always replace damaged backflow preventers right away with a new one designed for your faucet. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding reliable local contractors a breeze for homeowners who need help with projects like fixing outdoor faucets or any plumbing jobs. Contractors can also use BigHomeProjects.com to connect with people nearby who need their skills, making it easier to get steady work and build a solid reputation